In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Calendly subscription in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're adjusting to fit your current scheduling needs or simply looking to switch plans, this step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth transition. First things first, let's navigate to the Calendly homepage. Simply type in calendly.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with the homepage of this powerful scheduling tool that has likely been a valuable part of organizing your meetings and appointments. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button, usually situated in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the login page, a straightforward step to getting you closer to managing your subscription. For those who've used Google to sign up for Calendly, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Clicking on this link will streamline the process as it uses your Google account credentials for logging in. This is quite handy as it skips the need to remember another set of usernames and passwords. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Calendly subscription. This step is crucial, so make sure you select the correct account that has your Calendly data linked to it. Now that you've selected your account, Google might ask for your confirmation to continue. Click on Continue to grant the necessary permissions. This means Calendly will have access to your Google account for seamless integration with your calendar, ensuring your scheduling is as up to date as possible. Upon successful login, head straight to your Calendly dashboard by clicking on the subtle Go to Calendly link, or simply navigating to calendly.com/event_types/user/me. This page is where all your scheduled meetings and event types are neatly organized. Look for the upgrade plan option in your account settings. Despite its name suggesting otherwise, this is where you can manage all aspects of your plan, including downgrading to a different subscription level that better fits your needs. Once you click on Upgrade Plan, Calendly will present you with all available subscription options. This page provides a comprehensive overview of the features and limitations of each plan, making it easier for you to make an informed decision on what plan you want to downgrade to. Carefully review these options, taking into consideration the specifics of what each plan has to offer versus what your actual requirements are. Choosing to downgrade your plan is as simple as selecting the plan that best aligns with your current scheduling needs. Each plan is detailed, displaying the monthly or annual payment options, along with a succinct rundown of what's included. Once you've found the perfect fit, proceed with the selection process as prompted, and just like that, you've successfully navigated through the process of downgrading your Calendly plan. This not only adjusts your subscription to better match your usage, but also ensures you're not paying for features you don't need. Remember, the beauty of Calendly lies in its flexibility. As your scheduling requirements change, so too can your Calendly plan. Whether you're scaling up or down, the platform is designed to support your evolving needs, making it an efficient tool for managing appointments and meetings. In today's digital age, having a reliable, adaptable scheduling tool like Calendly can significantly streamline how you organize appointments and meetings, saving you time and reducing the back and forth often associated with planning. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily adjust your subscription to ensure it's always just the right fit for your current needs. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, Calendly's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to help you navigate any part of the process or address any concerns you might have. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.